Hi guys, welcome to my channel and Realtek audio driver issue. So guys, first click to start setting, then click to system, sound, scroll down, more sound setting. So please check if you connected like Bluetooth and via internal speakers, and so need to set default which you want to play it, okay, and then close it. So most important, right click to Windows icon, otherwise click to start and type device manager, then extract sound, select this, right click to property and driver and click to roll back, select, and then yes, okay, okay. And one more thing, sound, Realtek audio driver, right click to update and device and click to roll back. And select same because this is actually Bluetooth speaker, na? Realtek, only do only Realtek only. Then guys close it. Then last and very important method. Click on start. In search type CMD. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is command. First copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completing. So it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continue, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter, so no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter, it will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see it is running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, RestoreHealth, copy, control V and hit enter, and this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is the 100% completed and successfully option completed. Okay.